It's a huge burden off of my shoulders. You know, there's not a day goes by that I don't go home and wonder, you know, are my residents okay? You know, are they safe? But to know that they are under a good, solid, well put together roof is a huge relief.
Good morning. Hey, everybody that doesn't know me, my name's Don Ulmer with Bartlett Roofing. Today we're starting a big project out here. We're in beautiful Caldwell, Idaho. We're taking care of a very large assisted living facility. This is the first morning on the project. My plan is we're going to do 70 square a day for the next 10 days. I'm just so fired up about it.
So Prestige Care, I've worked for them for 11 years. And I tell you, I wouldn't work for another company. I love it. But it's more than a job. It's a lot like coming to a family reunion. I have 40 sets of grandmas and grandpas here every day. The care that we give our residents is beyond what I could have imagined. So a project like this, you know, there's not a resident here that doesn't know that they're in better hands because, you know, of the security that we're providing.
That's all part of it.
Yeah.
In my thought, it's not just shingles. It's not. It's way more than that.
No,
especially in this scenario right here. It's way more.
security.
Yeah,
It is.
It's these folks' families, wherever they may be, and they know that their mom and pop are in good hands, in a safe, clean environment.
Yeah.
And
that's a huge part of it. You know, families, they want to know that, you know, they can bring their family member here and have that peace of mind. So, you know, we provide a good lifestyle for the resident, but we provide peace of mind for the family that can't be around them all the time.
it's a successful project in my eyes.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. I could not be happier, you know, for myself, for you guys, and for the residents. You know, I mean, it's been a wonderful experience.
That's the whole trick right there. The keyword's resident. But thanks, Travis. Thanks for your
Absolutely.
trust,
Don,
buddy.
Don,
You got us,
thanks a
man.
lot. Appreciate it.